My name is Janie Kemp. My husband is Abe Kemp. We bought this 1949 Corbitt truck from Sid Cooper down at Warrenton. Abe Kemp, my husband, restored it completely. It's been taken off the chassis and sandblasted, painted. Everything's been restored completely. The hardest thing on this truck was finding these emblems on each side that said Corbitt, the original ones. I also had a lady in South Boston, Virginia, to make me this quilt. It's a Corbitt quilt, has all the pictures on it. We did drive the truck to Henderson from Lewisburg this morning. We drove the truck. Doesn't ride great, but we had no problems with it. It's not a new truck by any means, but a lot of work's been put in it, and we're proud of it.
The engine is a 427 straight 6 Continental, and it has a 5-speed transmission with a 2-speed rear end, and it'll run about 55 or 60. But it's a kind of rough ride with these bias plow tires on it.
And now I want you to tell them how much work and what you did on this truck.
Well, we completely disassembled the truck, took the motor completely apart, had to buy a new head for it, and then we put new tires on it, put it back together, painted it, done upholstery in it, got the gauges redone, and made a new fuel tank for it. And we got it back together. It runs great now.
I picked out the color for this truck since I feel I have a better eye for color. It is a forest green, and it has black fenders. We didn't do any work on the seats. They were in excellent condition. So it has the original seats in it, and I love the color.